Factory taillights on the 2007 through 2018 JK Wranglers aren't necessarily the most stylish, and if you want to switch that up with a well-built set of taillights, these Destroyer Series LED taillights with the black housing and clear lens are a great pick to do it with. This set adds that modern feel that you may be missing with the back of your JK and is a great replacement for any damaged or worn out taillights that aren't doing your Jeep any justice, whether it's with the visibility you're getting, or should I say not getting, from the driver's seat, or just staying noticed on the road. Now this set is sure to turn some heads and allow you as the driver some better function, all while keeping the price low and including a hassle-free construction. These taillights feature a very modern style to them, and when they're off, they have a black, chrome, and red colorway, adding a little bit of that Euro vibe into the design with the clear lens on the front. Now the housing keeps it more of a tougher appearance, and the clear lens allows for all of these LEDs inside to shine through with the upper and lower LEDs for the parking and brake lights, and that center section of projector style LEDs as the reverse light. Now the high intensity lights here again keep drivers paying more attention to your Jeep and keeping your rig more noticed, and the LEDs outperform the factory reverse light bulb tenfold, so you can actually see behind you with this set when you're backing up at night. Now these have an ABS plastic housing and a clear polycarbonate lens, all impact resistant and offering a super crisp appearance to the materials, even though they are rugged. Now the LEDs are also high output with a low energy draw and have a super long lifespan, roughly around 50,000 hours or so. Compared to the factory halogen, you don't have to worry about a bulb going out on you. You're not gonna have to maintenance this set. Now these also keep up to standard with the side marker lights and dual reflectors, as well as just adding to the appearance, and they're completely plug and play for a no questions asked install. This set is around $175, which is super affordable for a set of full LED taillight. Now lighting most of the time is personal preference in the styling, and this offers a more tame style with the LED stack and center strip if you want to lean towards that more simple yet sleek looking style compared to some flashier designs. Now it also has that black and clear appearance if that's what you prefer, in addition to the full LED build that you may need for a more modern feel and a higher performance feel to the back of your JK. Install is super easy here at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and should take at most an hour. I wouldn't be surprised if you've got it done sooner with some very basic hand tools. Now at this point I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers, and they are going to show you a detailed breakdown on how to get these installed on your JK at home. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some taillights on our Wrangler, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so to get our factory taillight out, this is held in by screws over here, so we're going to grab our Phillips head screwdriver and pop these out first. Once we get these two out, pop our taillight right out like so. Then we can unplug it from our connector. Push down, get that unplugged, and we can set that aside. Now once you have this side out, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty guys, so now that we have our factory lights out, we can start installing our new setup. Now this is just like your factory one with the connector, simple plug and play. We're going to line this up, make sure that snaps into place. You want to tuck your wiring back, set the inner part of your assembly into its location. That'll kind of hook into place and sit like so. We're going to reuse our factory screws, mount this back into place. Now once you've got this side in, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Destroyer Series LED taillights with black housings and clear lenses for your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.